episode. The second, well, from the first episode, if you watched it, we talked about so many things. And which on the second episode, we'll be giving you guys the real details on how to get your green card in America. Now, how can you get your green card in America? First is giving you guys to one point, make sure you go back home. Then now, the major thing that which is still real and which you can do to get it is maybe you came for a leisure and at the end of the day you find out the environment is so sweet, you love it, mostly this summertime, and at the end of the day you said, oh no, I don't want to go back. I will always advise you guys, make sure you go back for an extension. Don't wait till the deadline, because when you wait till the deadline, automatically they can refuse you and you might not be able to get to the stage of getting your green card. Then the third point I'll give to you guys is you can use your visiting visa to transfer, maybe maybe because you have been dreaming to study abroad to progress in your career, you can see schools. You understand? Like maybe you can go to Alliance International University and you saw the environment, you saw how they are teaching, and you love it. You can use this means. And note, when you are choosing a course, make sure you are choosing a selling course, not a course that you will graduate and you will be struggling or you will not be able to get your green card. There are lots of courses that you study, and when you graduate, you will get a green card. Well, we'll be talking about those courses in our third episode. So let's just go straight to the point so that you guys will understand everything, because I don't want to stress that too much. Then another means you can use is maybe you get there and love can hit you at any corner, at any point. Maybe you are not in a relationship and you got there, maybe you went for a party, you are strolling out for a walk, you find someone that you love and the both of you started discussing. You guys can end up there, you can start up, but that is not really too easy, but it is also possible. People have used through that means to get their green card. And also you can be there and you might be lucky, maybe because of your experience and at the end of the day, your prayer also, you are praying, you are able to get a job, and the job accepts to say, okay, because of your experience, I think we need to fight for you so that you can stay here in a right way. We want to sponsor you, want to give you a visa sponsorship, we want you to be working for us, maybe based on your experience. You can also use this means to get exactly what you are looking for. So this is other means that you can use. Then watch out for the third episode, because we'll be going down to the third episode where we'll also be talking of the kind of courses you need to go for, because it is not all kind of courses that you need to just bounce into. You need to know what you are doing, you need to go for the right one, you need to go for the right course. That is just it. Watch out for the second episode. So for the third episode, if you've not subscribed, make sure you are doing that now and give us a thumbs up. Thank you.